What's up guys, in this video let's check out how the Oppo A3s, a non-water resistant phone, reacts to water and learn what to expect in water accidents. In case you have missed the unboxing of the Oppo A3s, along with comparisons with the Realme One and the scratch and bend test, then here is a card above with links in the description. Now starting with the water test, let's first check out the layer of oleophobic coating on this unspecified glass protection. This oleophobic layer, apart from preventing fingerprint smudges, also helps out a bit with water resistance. The water, instead of sticking to the glass, tends to roll off much easily and therefore helps in resisting water to a certain degree. Unfortunately though, it seems that the Oppo A3s is totally lacking this oleophobic layer, same as the Realme One, further strengthened by the fact that the screen is a fingerprint magnet. After this, we'll proceed to light splashing, and if it manages to survive, perform the heavy drenching round. From my experience after performing many water tests on non-water resistant phones with no IP rating, the most common reaction is low distorted audio via the external speakers, which can last from a few seconds to several hours. Apart from this, there were other cases of random reboots, screen flickering issues, or the screen going blank for 14 hours straight on the Redmi Y2, and the recently failed flagship Zenfone 5Z, which suffered from water seepage inside the screen. So let's find out how the Oppo A3s, the lowest priced notch device, performs against the water abuse. If you remember, the Oppo Realme One had performed brilliantly in the water test and had easily survived all rounds, but unfortunately the Oppo A3s could not go beyond and pass the light splashing round. The water caused the external audio to become low and distorted for more than 45 minutes before recovering, and more water abuse would have permanently damaged the sound unit. The audio was able to recover almost instantly in case of the Realme, but the good news is that the Oppo A3s can easily survive light splashes or rain without any damage to the sound unit, camera or display. Stay tuned to catch more videos on latest devices. Thanks for watching, keep the peace and catch you next time.